Welcome to the topic on understanding the hierarchy of injectors and providers. In this session, we'll explore the hierarchy of injectors and providers in Angular. Understanding how dependency injection works at different levels is essential for effectively managing and providing services throughout your application. 1. Dependency Injection Recap. Before diving into the hierarchy, let's quickly recap how dependency injection works in Angular. When a component or service requires a dependency such as a service, Angular's DA system automatically resolves and provides the instance of that dependency. This eliminates the need for manual instantiation and enables loose coupling between components and services. 2. Hierarchical Dependency Injection. Angular employs a hierarchical injector system, meaning that injectors are organized in a tree-like structure. Each component has its injector, which is a child of the parent component's injector. This hierarchical structure allows for more fine-grained control over dependency injection and helps avoid conflicts between different instances of services. 3. Providing services at different levels. 3.1. Providing a service at the root level. When you provide a service at the root level, usually in the provider's array of the root module, the service becomes available throughout the entire application. This is ideal for services that are shared across multiple components and need a single instance. 3.2. Providing a service at the component level. Alternatively, you can provide a service at the component level by adding it to the provider's array of the component's metadata. When you provide a service at the component level, it will be scoped to that component and its child components. 4. Injectors and providers resolution. When a component or service requests a dependency, Angular's DI system follows the hierarchy to resolve the appropriate provider. It starts searching for the requested provider from the component's injector and goes up the hierarchy until it finds a matching provider. If no provider is found, an error will be thrown. 5. Summary. Understanding the hierarchy of injectors and providers is crucial for effectively managing and providing services in your Angular application. By providing services at different levels, you can control the scope of service instances and ensure proper dependency resolution.